Hey my dear viewers, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to reset the service indicator of GLE 450 model, Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 model. So for this procedure we need to off the engine. So here I am going to off the engine. So now engine is off position. Then press once again. This is ignition position, so we need the first position before ignition. So again press. Now it's the cluster is turned off, so need to press again one more for the first position. Yeah, this is the first position. So here we get the trip menu. If not trip menu, we need to change the menu into trip menu. So this is the position we need, and we already take trip menu. So next procedure is press this back button and OK button for 5 seconds together, both together. Yes, this is enough. Then press the back button one time, then swipe the OK button, swipe. Here we get the workshop menu. Press select assist plus. So for this to forward this position we need to turn on ignition. So press again. So again the ignition position is came. So next we need to select full service, confirm service, same as all the models. Then we need to select the oil grade. Our car's service menu is resetting is completed, so we can check here. So go back and swipe service data. So not changed. So we need to off the key. Then one more time press. Here we this is the first portion. We cannot check the cluster menus, so we need to press one more time for the ignition. Here ignition is on. So next we need to press the home button again, then swipe. We need to take the service menu, then check the assist plus. Here we can see the service A in 15,000 kilometers, so it's completed. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, and share to your friends also. Thank you very much for watching this video.